Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Analytics 4 for automated AI insights, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Analytics homepage by typing analytics.google.com in the address bar. If you are not signed in, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Select Google Analytics from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the Google sign-in page. Enter your Google account email address. Click on the Next button. Enter your password on the next screen. Click on Next again to proceed. If you have enabled two-step verification, follow the prompts to complete this step. Once signed in, you will be taken to the Google Analytics dashboard. If this is your first time using Google Analytics 4, you might need to create a new property. To do this, click on the admin gear icon located at the bottom left corner. In the Property column, click on Create Property. Enter your property name and select the appropriate time zone and currency. Click Next to continue setting up. Follow the prompts to select your industry category and business size. After providing the requested information, click on Create. Once your property is created, you will receive a measurement ID. Copy this measurement ID for future use. Return to the Google Analytics dashboard. To access automated AI insights, click on Explore in the left navigation panel. In the Explore section, you can create custom reports or use predefined templates. Utilize the AI-driven insights available in the Insights tab to analyze your data. Set up alerts for specific metrics to receive notifications about significant changes. Explore the various features and tools available to leverage AI insights for your business. Regularly review your analytics to make data-driven decisions for your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.